In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Nano Banana to change business name and weather. Open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Google Gemini. This is Google's creative AI workspace, and it includes the image tools we'll be using. From the results, click the official Google Gemini site. If you're prompted to sign in, use your Google account so you can access the image features. Once you're in, look for the Create Image option. Click it. This is what activates Nano Banana, the image editing capability inside Gemini that lets you apply changes guided by your prompts. Next, upload your reference image by clicking the plus icon. Choose a clear, high-resolution photo where the sign and the scene are easy to read. Crisp images give the AI more detail to work with. Also make sure you have the rights to edit the photo you're using. Now let's change the business name on the store sign. In the prompt box, enter. Replace the existing store sign with the text John Coffee Shop. Keep the same style, perspective, lighting, and material of the original sign so it blends naturally with the environment. Being specific about style, perspective, and lighting helps the edit match the scene, so the new text looks like it was always there. Click Submit and give it a moment to generate. Review the result. If the lettering looks slightly off or the shading doesn't match, refine your prompt by emphasizing details like the sign's material or asking for bolder lettering, then submit again. With the name updated, let's change the weather. In the prompt area, enter. Add a snowy winter atmosphere. Falling snowflakes, light snow accumulation on buildings and ground, and soft, cool lighting. Preserve the original scene composition while making it look like a natural snowy day. This tells the AI to enhance the entire mood without warping the scene. Click Submit. After it renders, check edges and surfaces, window ledges, rooftops, and the ground, where snow would realistically settle. If it looks too heavy or too light, adjust the wording, for example asking for lighter accumulation or gentler snowfall, and run it again. That's it. You use Nano Banana in Gemini to replace a store sign realistically and transform the scene into a snowy day, all with precise prompts and a couple of clicks. Remember, start with a sharp image, be clear about style and lighting, and iterate until it feels natural. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating your own polished edits.